I remember day first came in that room filled with sun rays, with gin juice is intake, therefore the smiley faces from these
Vibes are good, back to the shoot.
What's happening?
Cold Nips represent. What does it say?
Represent.
Every Wednesday. Be there or be square.
Spin.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, big vibes. Big vibes.
The hair's going to be a bit crazy, but we kind of just have to roll with it. Yeah, that's cool. Maybe go where the wind's like, where is the wind from? Just a little bit, and I'm just going to shoot through. This is that little detail on the woods there. So keep looking out that way, to your right. Yeah, stay there. Yeah. And then have a little look to me if you can. Yeah, that's nice. High five first.
My preference is the brown.
Nice.
Unless your preference is the white.
Nice.
Nice. So Tess has just cooked us the yummiest dinner. The solar hats have arrived.
I sent these in months ago and they took so long. And then they sent them to me and then they went back to Indonesia and then they've arrived back here. Yeah. So this has been long awaited. I think it's the caps. Yes.
So this is the crib for the next couple days. Pretty nice little spot out on the paddock. We've got our own bath, outdoor shower, and yeah, it's a bit of a vibe, to be honest. Couldn't be better weather. Sun is out. There were just dolphins literally that swam right past. And we are in the middle of paradise. How you feeling?
Feeling great.
Summer on the west coast has officially hit. Like, look at that water. Look how blue and crystal clear that is for as far as you can see. Nostalgia Studios, stickering up the DJ decks because we're going to be having a party summer. Where's the middle? Somewhere around there. Hoo-hoo! What's up, guys? You're probably just seeing this as the next video, but I actually haven't filmed in honestly almost a couple of weeks. It's been bit of a busy time. I had a friend's bucks on the weekend. We went down south and celebrated and switched off for a few days. I've kind of just been super busy here, working, doing a lot of back-end stuff, figuring out the course and community, and really diving into putting a lot of effort into executing things and taking it as far as I can, just in terms of the amount of effort I'm putting in. I've also had a lot of freelance work that I'm finishing off and wrapping up, and so it's been hours behind the computer really, and I haven't done a whole lot that's been super interesting or super, fun to film. A lot of friends are overseas too. Jai and Alina have just come back from international trips to the other side of Australia. They'll be back here in a couple of weeks still, but yeah, it's just been me and Tess up the top working here, and Flynn and Jen have been away, and Nene and Davide have only just got back. So the whole crew that has been living here at Cisco Lane has pretty much been out, and there hasn't been much to film. It's just been long days behind a computer, focusing on health, just like doing lots of Pilates and doing lots of computer work. And so yeah, there hasn't honestly been a lot to film, but this is just a little update. Things are coming back into flow. The weather is looking pretty damn good for the next week or so. The crew are coming back slowly bit by bit, and so yeah, a lot more is happening. It's a lot more fun, and I'll be spending a bit less time behind the computer and a bit more time shooting and hanging out, having a bit of fun as well. So hopefully I will be documenting more of that on the Handycam, but I can't wait to kind of get outside and get a bit of sun, because I have just been slammed behind this desk. This is my view a lot of the time these days, and so excited to get back out. But yeah, little update, all is good. Just been grinding on the hustle, so yeah. Day on Rottenest Island. So Sunday, We've had a little break from the work sesh of the week. Slap the sunscreen. Gotta stay protected. Gonna read some books. What are you reading, Tess? The Courage to Be Disliked. And I've got this little baby. Oh, I almost just dropped my bookmark. It's called Oversubscribed. Great book, would highly recommend for anyone trying to build an online business that's kind of in demand. Happy days. Tessa's chain has come off her bike. And we're pretty far out of town, so we're just going to try and fix it.
And he does no sports, so we can always like buy new stuff for his sport.
That's why it's such
Yeah, instead of like buying equipment and he's not.
For the show.
What did I pick up? So many again?
But where are you going on holiday? Down south?
Down south.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
Best friends. Think so.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing? I thought you were just asking them. I was like, bro, you.
Well, what are you doing?
How are you
You just don't listen.
Doing it for the vlog. Cool. We're going to miss them very much.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going to be gone for just a week, but we'll miss them.
We'll be back.
We're gonna make a big
every day. You're
Cool guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. That was just a little bit of an update of what the last couple of weeks have been like. To be honest, it's mostly been behind a desk, working, editing, and organising a lot of Nostalgia Studios at the moment. Applications have been closed off for about 2 weeks now. They do open up the first week of December, so if you are a photographer and filmmaker and are interested in joining, the applications will be opening on the first week of December, so stay tuned for that. We've just been jumping into calls, we've had some incredible guest speakers, and we've been doing a lot inside the community, so that's been really exciting. I've given a lot of my focus to that recently, but until then I'm just going to keep building it, going to keep shooting. There's a bit more fun things coming on as the summer starts to get closer and closer. And so, yeah, I will be documenting and updating a fair bit more with that. Hope you have enjoyed having a little watch. Stay updated on Instagram, and I will keep you guys in the loop with all that is happening. So, hope all is well in everyone's life, and I will see you.
I remember they first came in that room filled with sun rays, rich in jewels and intake. Therefore, the smiley faces.